Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. In this powerful chapter of our Vedic Defense Mantras series, we explore the Rigveda not as poetry, but as sacred protection. These hymns are not simply chants. They are ancient, precise invocations for divine support in moments of adversity, against confusion, obstruction, and imbalance. The Rigveda speaks of strength, not only inner clarity, but higher protection. In times of trial, our seers didn't just persevere, they reached upward. So we return, not to empty ritual, but to restoration. We explore mantras as shields, devas as guardians, and chanting as a path to resilience. Agni is more than sacred flame. He is the channel of righteous action, the protector of offerings. He supports the sincere and clears the path of those who obstruct.
त्वमग्ने व्रजिनवर्तनिन्नरं सक्मन् पिपर्षि विदथे विचर्षणे यः शूरसादा परितज्ञेधने दभ्रेभिश्चित्सवृताहंसि भोजसः.
O Agni, you guide the lost and empower the few to stand strong against many. This is more than a metaphor. It is a direct call for divine strength.
वन्नो अग्ने तव देवपाजभिर्मघो नो रक्षतन्वश्च वन्द्या त्रातादोकस्य तनये गवामस्य निमेषं रक्षमाणस्तवौ रते.
O revered Agni, watch over our families, our children, and all we hold dear. Agni becomes a tireless guardian. His flame does not flicker. It remains. Indra represents decisive action. He responds to imbalance not with passivity, but with clarity and force.
अहं व्रत्रं व्रत्रतरं व्यं समइन्द्रो वज्रेण महता वधेन स्कन्धांसि भकुलिशेना विवृक्णाहिष्यत उपप्रपृथिव्योः.
Indra struck down barriers as a branch falls from a tree. No ambiguity. This is a moment of restoring flow.
दासपत्नीरहि गोपा अतिष्ठन्निरुद्धा आपः पणिने एव गावाः अपाम्बिलमपि हितै यदासीद्व्रत्रं जघन्वाङ् अपतद्ववार.
Indra opened the waters like releasing light from darkness. It marks a return to harmony and cosmic order. Indra, standing alone, removed the threat posed by those who opposed sacred order. A reminder that even one aligned with truth is not alone.
वधीर्हृदस्यं धनिनं घनेनं एकश्चरन्नुपशाकेभिरिन्द्र धनोरधिविषुणक्देव्या जन्नयज्वानः सनकाः प्रेतिमीयुः.
You dispersed those who mocked and wavered, and protected the devoted. Indra supports those who call upon him with intent.
त्वमेतान् रुदतो जक्षतश्चाजो धयो रजस इन्द्रपारे अवादहो दिव आदस्य मुच्चा प्रसन्वतस्त्वभतः शंसमावः.
These verses are not symbolic. They are precise tools of spiritual focus. They don't incite retaliation. They offer alignment with divine will.
न्याविध्यति लेबिषस्य दृह्लाविशृङ्गिणमभिनच्छुष्णमिन्द्राः यावत्तरो मघवन्यावदोजो वज्रेण शत्रुभवधेः प्रतन्यम्.
Guard our responsibilities, our legacy, and what we cherish most. Calling upon the divine is not weakness, it is insight and wisdom. These verses are active principles of protection. They don't aim to convert or merely comfort, but to awaken, preserve, and align with Dharma. In an age of distraction and division, the Rigveda offers clarity. When voices of doubt grow louder, these mantras refine focus.
अनुस्वधामक्षरन्नापो अस्यावर्धतमध्य आनाव्यानाम् सद्रेचीनेन मनसातमिन्द्र ओजिष्ठेन हन्मनाहन्नभिद्योन्.
Indra supports those who walk the path of offering, not those who seek to divide. Invoke with faith. Practice with awareness. Stand firm with clarity. Download the full chant set. Listen with purpose. Recite with meaning. Let the Rigveda be your shield, not just your inspiration. Explore the full blog at hinduinfopedia.org.